Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys a free plugin for both Premiere Pro and also for Final Cut. And using this you can show off your images in your videos like this or this. So now let's jump into the computer to see how you can achieve the same effect in your videos. Okay guys, so once you have downloaded the plugin, you have to unzip it first. And inside the folder you will see three things. First a folder for Final Cut, then for Premiere Pro, and also the sound effect. So now let's start with Premiere Pro. So open up Premiere Pro first, then here actually I have selected a clip with two images so that I can demo it to you guys. Now let me try to apply the effect into these two images. So first you right click on the presets in the effects panel and go to imports, and from there you go to desktop or wherever you have unzipped your folder and go to the image pop folder. From there then Premiere Pro and select the effect. Now drag it and drop it on top of your photos and do it for both the photos. Now let's see. So as you can see, it's already working, but the background is not white. So to do that you have to create a new color matte. So I'm creating that. I'm going to the new items and creating a color matte, and then I'm selecting the color as white, but if you want to select any other color you can do that. Now let me import it and put the photos on the second video layer and put it here. Now if I play it, you can see it's exactly like we wanted. And if you want to also apply the camera shutter sound effect, then you go to the folder and you drag this camera shutter file into your timeline. And do it again for the second photo also. Now let me play it again. Exactly. Now let's do it for Final Cut. So you go into the Final Cut folder and from there you copy this image pop and then go to your profile and open the movies folder. Then you go to the motion templates, then effects, and paste it there. Now you have to restart your Final Cut. Okay, so in the Final Cut also I have a similar timeline, and these are the two images. Now let's apply the effect. So as we have already pasted the effect in the motion templates folder, it should be visible in your effects. So in the effects panel, search for pop, and the image pop effect will appear to you, and you just drag it and drop it on top of your photos just like in Premiere Pro. Now let's play it once. You can see that it's already working. And now for the white background, and to do that you go to the titles and generators panel and select generators, and from there you select the whites and put it on your timeline. And then you have to place it just below your photos. Like this. And if I play it now, yeah, it's working. And for the sound effect, it's again similar to Premiere Pro. So you go to desktop and go to the image pop folder, and from there you just drag this camera shutter audio. And do it again for the second picture also. And let me play it now. So as you have seen, it is that easy to use the effect in your videos. So if you want to get this effect, then please click the link in the description and you can download it for free from there. If you like this effect, then don't forget to like the video and share it with your buddies. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, peace.